want your container too? Here you go. Have some more. Have some more. Have some more. A little bit more left. Come on.
Yum, yum.
Good girl.
Mm.
Last teaspoon. One more.
Yay.
Girl. There's nothing left. Want some more? I think we should try banana mash next.
Yeah.
Right?
Finished.
Finish. That's it.